Here we have a 69 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE45E M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over 14 grand worth of actual extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the Comfort package, Technology package and also the M Sport Plus package. We do have the black exterior paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also the gloss black front splitter, part of the M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Round to the driver's side, you can see the side skirts along the bottom. We also have 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We do also have the air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower, and it's currently set to its lowest setting. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass. We also have the roof rails up top with the panoramic glass sunroof, which is currently on a tilt as it's starting to rain, but can also slide all the way back. We do also have the 360 cameras as well with this vehicle. Just open up the door, we do have the keyless entry. So we have the M Sport style seat belts, full leather seats inside of here, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points. We have the blinds on the windows just there, and also the two screens on the back of the front seats for the rear passengers in infotainment. Electric windows as well on the doors. Taking a look at the front, you'll also find the same leather seats, with both front seats being heated. They're also electrically adjustable and have the memory functions. Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows. We also have the ambient lighting as well, which runs all throughout the interior. Automatic lights down here. We also have the Sky Lounge, so the panoramic roof do have the LEDs built in as well, which looks really nice, especially at night time. We then have the digital dashboard in front of us, along with the heads-up display as well. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, along with the cruise control and speed meter just there. We have the high beam assist, and the steering wheel is also electrically adjustable with the stalk down there. We've got the main infotainment screen in the centre. Many features on here you would have seen on the photos. So if you go onto the main menu, you find all these different options. We do have the sat-nav navigation. Again, if the screen's flickering, it's just the camera. It's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We've got the media options just here. The radio stations, Spotify, the news, and all these other options as well. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We have all these apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Further down, you'll find the button just here for the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We then have the climate control just here, with the heated seats either side, and the ice-cold air conditioning as well. Again, ambient lighting running throughout the interior. Really makes it a nice place to be. We have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. We also have the heated and cooled cup holders underneath there with the wireless phone charging, the air suspension as well just here, along with the hill descent control, electric handbrake and the auto hold button. But that's all I'm showing you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.